Hello, today I'm going to try swatching out some of these colours that I made. So this is my first set of handmade watercolours and it's the Rainforest palette. There are 6 colours inside the tin and we're going to swatch each one out to start with. So this first colour is River and this is a deep blue. It's a very smooth colour, it goes on really smooth and it reacts really nicely to the water. It creates some lovely different watery effects. And it does have a small amount of colour separation when it dries out. This second colour is Cacao and it's made from ground up cacao beans and it has a lovely smell of chocolate when you re-wet it. It goes on very smooth and it's a really even consistency. You can also get some really cool diffusion patterns by adding in extra water. It's not super pigmented but you can get a really nice deep colour with it. This next colour is called Orchid. I'm not normally one for pinks, but this is a really lovely colour and I've found lots of uses for it while painting some of the rainforest scenes. It's quite opaque because it does have a lot of white pigment in it. And it does also have some interesting little colour blooms where you put the thicker colour down, which you'll see when it's dry. This is the first of the greens in this palette and this one is called Forest Floor. It's a really dark green and this one has lots of different other colours undertone in it and it does create some granulation and colour separation. It's a really lovely paint to work with. As you can probably tell by how much I've already used from this palette, it's one of my favourites. And here's the second green in this palette. This one's called Canopy and it's a really bright, vibrant green. It's quite a smooth colour, it doesn't have too much granulation to it, but it's a wonderful colour when mixing. And the sixth and final colour in this palette is Temple Gold. It's a really lovely rich yellow orange and it has a lovely glitter to it. This is a glitter, not a mica paint, so it does mean that when you mix it with the other colours you'll have the gold shine over the top of it, almost like a gold leaf effect. The paints are dry so you can have a closer look. This is the river that shows you the little bit of the colour separation with hints of brown and green amongst the blue. Orchid shows you that it stays generally quite opaque and the same sort of tone throughout, but you do get the little purple blooms in places. And the Temple Gold has a really bright lustre to it. Cacao can create either a smooth flat brown or these really interesting lines and rivulets that can be great for creating bark and other natural textures. The Forest Floor granulates into blue greens, browns, dark and lighter greens. And the Canopy can create some really interesting effects through a wash. Finally, I'm going to show you some of the different colours you can achieve through mixing in this palette. So the first box on the right of each row is the colour Pure, and then I'm going to mix it with each of the other colours to show you some of the different shades. So this one is River combined with Orchid, which creates a really pale purple. And then combining it with the Canopy creates a very pale tealy blue. I'm going to leave the Temple Gold colours till last because the glitter does remain on your brush and in your water afterwards, and it'll just mean less cleaning. The Orchid mixed with the greens produces some lovely sagey colours. I really love the different range of tones of greens that you can create with these paints. And all the colours, when mixed with the cacao, produce a beautifully granulating colour combined with undertones of the brown, perfect for natural and forest paintings. We're now going to look at the Temple Gold mixes. And while mixed with the Orchid produces a lovely peachy colour with very little glitter due to the opacity of the pink paint, when mixed with the other colours you get these lovely sort of warm orange shades that have the beautiful gold lustre over the top. I'm going to do some little quick swatches over here so you can see how the colours merge and react more naturally on the page to give you some ideas of the different effects you can create. And here they are all dry. You can see there's some really beautiful shades up here. You can catch this gold glimmers in the ones mixed with the Temple Gold. I really like these two shades. I think they'd be really well together. And all the cacao colours with that beautiful granulation.